Introducing the Aquaray S, Veolia's newest modular, cost-competitive horizontal lamp UV system for low-flow wastewater open-channel applications. The Aquaray S incorporates the latest electronic ballast and communication technology with several options to allow for complete customization of the system. The UV lamp power supplies for the Aquaray S are located inside a sealed aluminum enclosure directly on top of the UV module, which also handles all lamp controls and data exchange. The modules are IP68 rated for extended submersibility. Proven 165-watt, low-pressure, high-output UV lamps treat water flows up to 3 million gallons of water a day. The Aquaray S ballast holds all system electronics, sealed in an aluminum enclosure. A 360-degree intensity sensor monitors lamp performance, connected to a power distribution and data center. The optional wiping system allows for hands-off cleaning, simplifying maintenance of Aquaray S. Due to the modular nature of the system, possibilities for configurations range from 1 module and 2 lamps up to 8 modules with 6 lamps each. Aquaray S. Discover the simplicity of modular disinfection.